Hello guys, welcome back. In this lecture, we're gonna talk about the flow of execution in C# and techniques for controlling this flow in our applications. Okay, what is execution flow in programming? Execution flow refers to the order of code execution in a program. In C#, statements are executed one after another, starting from the top of the code file and moving to the bottom. For example, in the application we wrote earlier as a challenge, the user enters the radius of a circle and we calculate and return the area of that circle. Each statement in the application is executed in order, starting from the top and going to the bottom. However, sometimes we need to control the default flow of execution because it doesn't always fit our needs. For instance, there are cases where certain statements must be repeated multiple times, going from top to bottom. In the string challenge, we wanted these statements to execute for each word in the user sentence. To achieve this control over the default flow, we use for each statement in our application. These kinds of statements help us manage how the code is executed, and they are known as control flow statements. We can use control flow statements to make our programs do specific actions depending on conditions or loops. C# offers different control flow constructs that allow us to modify the default control flow. These constructs include selection statements such as if else, and switch. Iteration statements such as for each, while, and do while. And jump statements such as break, continue, go to, and return. In the upcoming sections, we'll talk about these control flow statements in detail. Okay, in summary, in C#, the default control flow is sequential execution, where statements are executed one after another from top to bottom. However, we can modify the default flow using control flow statements. Okay, done. See you soon with another lecture.